In a lush, verdant meadow bloomed a myriad of flowers. A place where life was vibrant, and creatures grew in numbers. Amidst the blossoms, a tiny, ordinary caterpillar crawled, unaware of the transformation that was waiting to unfold. The caterpillar munched on leaves, ate with glee, growing larger day by day, as they happily could see. One fine day, it spun a silky cocoon, a home so tight. Enclosed within, it rested, for the night and the day and the night. In the cocoon, a miraculous change began. Unseen by the world, it underwent a transformation grand. From caterpillar to chrysalis, the metamorphosis continued, awaiting the day when it would break free and be redefined. One sunny morning, the chrysalis began to crack, and out emerged a beautiful, vibrant butterfly, no longer flat. It fluttered its wings, testing them, taking flight. Filling the meadow with joy, the sight was truly bright. The moral of this tale, for one and all to heed, is that within us all lies potential indeed. Though life may seem mundane, hidden deep within awaits a transformation yet to be seen. Just as the caterpillar turned into a butterfly, we too have the power to transform and reach the sky. So keep striving, keep dreaming, don't let your spirit wane. For your own potential is waiting to bring you joy and fame.